everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's talk about why English has become so important nowadays. Why English is very important and how you can improve your English speaking skills as a beginner and how you can speak English confidently and fluently like the native speakers. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, watch full video and you will be feel comfortable and feel that this video is very valuable for you. English is very important. Why? Because English can open a new opportunity for you. You can go for overseas for studies. You can go for companies in a corporate sector like the HCL, Wipro, Infosys, Genpact. There are the several companies which really has the peoples only those who are good in communication skills. So communication skills are really matters a lot. Even though you have graduate or you are postgraduate, you still need to work on your communication skills. If you are good in communication skills, so it is very good, but if you are not good, so you have to work hard on your English speaking skills. Those students, those who are studying in the universities like Bennett University, Graphic Era, Amity, or the Petroleum University Dehradun, they know the value of the English speaking skills, because when their senior tells them that when the companies like Microsoft come for the BTech students for their campus placement, they usually matters on the communication skills, because if you want to get a job in a global companies like KPMG, EY, Microsoft or Apple, so you need to be good in your communication skills, because you can be transfer or can get the placement in any country wherever they have the offices. If you talk about the Microsoft, which is have the offices is in the more than 100 countries like Australia, New Zealand, South America, America, North America. So they have the several offices everywhere. Singapore, India, Dubai, they have the offices in each and every country. So that is why I have told that they have the more than 100 countries where they have their offices. So you can be get the job in any country. So you should be good on your communication skills. And how you can improve your communication skills? For that I am here. The first way which I also follow on every day, which is reading. Yes, if you will read English speaking, if you will read newspaper every day, so this will improve your speaking skills, because when you will read, you will learn vocabulary, you will improve your pronunciation, you will get more familiar with the English, and that is all you want. If you really want to achieve success in your life, so you have to learn English speaking skills, because communication skills really matters a lot. You can get selected in corporate sector, you can become an English trainer, or you can go for overseas studies. For that you need to work hard on your English communication skills. You can do another thing also, try to listen English. Yes, you can listen cricket commentary if you like the cricket, or you can start listening English media like the BBC, CNN news channels like that. So start listening and watching. Or you can do another exercise like recording on your own voice, your own video on your smartphone. We everyone has a smartphone nowadays. This practice will improve your English communication skills. First, when you will read, you will improve your pronunciation, you will improve your vocabulary, which is very important, because if you have the words, so you can speak in English. But if you do not have the words, how will you able to speak in English? So that is very important. Listening, why it is important? Because when you will see someone to speak in English, so you will also learn, because when you watch someone to speak in English, you will also learn that how to speak in English. So that is very important. That's why I have told in the last that try to record your own voice, your own video on your smartphone, because that is very important exercise to improve your English communication skills. If you will do these three easy exercise on regular basis, on regular way, so you will improve definitely your speaking skills in few days. I will not say that you will speak confidently in just 30 days, on just 1 week. That is fake. Yes, If you really want to speak in English confidently and fluently, so it is a process. If you will do this process every day, if you will do reading, listening, and speaking every day, so you will improve your English communication skills, because it is very matter a lot that if you will practice more, so you will improve more. So that's all for today. I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.